How to fix people option not showing in your Messenger 2024. Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to fix people option not showing in your Messenger. First of all, you have to tap on Messenger and hold for few seconds. After that, you have to tap on this app info button. After that, now here you have to tap on storage and cache button. Clicking on this, now here you have to click on clear cache at the right bottom. After doing this, you have to open your, now here you have to go to your mobile phone home screen and open your Play Store. Now in the Play Store, you have to search in the search bar Messenger. After searching Messenger, you have to update your Messenger to the latest version. After updating your Messenger, you have to open your Messenger. Now here you can see in this way you can fix people option not showing in your Messenger app. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next interesting video. Thanks for watching this video.